A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the art and science of true vision beyond seeing toward clarity. Ladies and gentlemen, from the dawn of civilization, the quest for clarity has defined the human journey. Yet, clarity is not always found in what the eyes reveal. It often emerges from what lies beyond immediate sight. To see is not merely to look, it is to connect perception with reflection and reflection with wisdom. Seeing, therefore, is not only a physical act but also an awakening of consciousness. It is both an art and a science. An art, for it requires sensitivity and imagination. A science, for it rests upon discipline, discernment, and inquiry. True vision begins when seeing transcends appearances and enters the realm of truth. Science reminds that human perception is profoundly limited. The eyes capture only a narrow spectrum of light, while most of reality remains invisible. Telescopes extend vision across galaxies, revealing cosmic structures unimagined by the naked eye. Microscopes uncover hidden worlds within a single drop of water. Quantum research shows particles behaving in ways no ordinary sense can perceive, yet altering the very foundations of reality. Each scientific breakthrough underscores that what is observed is but a fragment, and what is unseen often holds the deeper truth. Yet, in daily life, appearances are often mistaken for reality. A fleeting expression, an incomplete fact, or a hurried judgment can ignite conflict, much like swords drawn against shadows. To overcome this, observation must ripen into understanding, and understanding must mature into clarity. Ancient wisdom offers parallel guidance. The sages spoke of the inner eye, capable of discerning a sense beneath illusion. The Upanishads taught that when the gaze turns away from the transient and beholds the eternal, vision becomes true. Taoist thought emphasized flowing with the hidden pattern of existence rather than forcing perception upon it. In both science and spirituality, the message is the same. Clarity comes not from the surface but from depth. Observation is the first step. It requires silence and patience. Understanding is the second. It demands empathy and reason. Clarity is the third. The harmony where observation and understanding transform into wisdom. What's the way forward? The path ahead may be imagined as three lenses through which observation can become true vision and clarity can expand from self to cosmos. First, the inner lens, clarity for the self. The brain is the true instrument of sight, interpreting what the eyes deliver. When nurtured with focus, calm and care, it sustains both clarity and health. Practices of mindful breathing, reflective journaling and quiet attention strengthen neural pathways, sharpening perception and guarding against mental fatigue. Second, the shared lens, clarity in human relations. To truly see another person is to go beyond appearances into dignity, struggle, and a sense. Observation coupled with empathy prevents hasty conflict, replacing it with trust and harmony. In societies, this lens transforms dialogue from debate into understanding, allowing diversity to become strength rather than division. Third, the cosmic lens, clarity for the world. Just as telescopes reveal what lies beyond visible light, leaders and institutions must look beyond the short term. Clarity at this level means policies and actions aligned with sustainability, inclusiveness, and the rhythm of nature. It is vision not for advantage alone, but for balance, continuity, and the collective good of existence itself. These three lenses, inner, shared, cosmic, create a framework that is simple to remember, profound in scope, and universal in application. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, true vision does not end with what the eyes can behold. It begins where ordinary sight falls short. In the Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna falters in doubt, Lord Krishna grants him the divine sight, the Divya Chakshu, to behold the cosmic form. In that moment, Arjuna realizes that existence stretches far beyond appearances of gain and loss, friend and foe, birth and death. It is eternal, infinite, and indivisible. With reverence, the words of Lord Krishna resound. When a man sees all beings as equal in suffering or in joy because they are like himself, then he is deemed a seer indeed. This is the art and science of true vision, to observe with patience, to understand with compassion, and to attain clarity that transcends illusion. When the inner eye awakens, life ceases to be a struggle against shadows and becomes a journey in harmony with truth. Such vision is timeless, ageless, and boundless, illuminating not only the path of the individual but also the destiny of humanity and the cosmos itself. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.